I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 5, exercise 6.1, chapter 6, application of derivatives. The question is, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. Full stop. At the instant when the radius of this circular wave is 8 centimeter, comma, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Here I shall write solution. First of all, mark the key points in the given question with the help of pinpointed pencil. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Waves move in circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. Here 5 centimeter per second. Waves move in circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. This means that here centimeter per second means the radius of circle is given 5 centimeter and time given in second. So here I shall write, let the radius of circular wave be small r centimeter. Let the radius of circular wave be r centimeter and area of the circular wave be capital A. Then A equal to pi r square. So here area of circle capital A is equal to pi r square. Here I shall write, given that dr over dt equal to 5 centimeter per second. Means speed of circular wave is given 5 centimeter per second. That's why dr over dt. Here r is radius, t means time in second. Again it says, at the instance when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter. Radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter. How fast denote time is the enclosed area increasing. How fast means time in second, the enclosed area increasing. So we have to find out dA over dt, we have to find out. So here again I shall write, now the area of circular wave capital A is equal to pi r square. So here I shall write capital A is equal to pi r square. Again I shall write d WRT t means differentiating the area of circular wave with respect to t. So here again I shall write d over dt of A equal to pi dot d over dt of r square. Implied that here in center function A is available, in denominator t is available. D will be conjugated with A, comes out to be dA over dt equal to in bracket pi dot d over dt of r square. Here in center function r square is available and in denominator t is available. R and t are different functions. That's why d will be conjugated to r, comes out to be dr over dt, and in place of r for time being let t, d over dt of t square comes out to be 2t. So here I shall write 2, and in place of t I shall write r, again dr over dt will be multiplied. This thing you will get. Again I shall write implied that dA over dt equal to 2 pi r dr over dt, implied that dA over dt equal to 2 pi, in place of r what should I write? Let us see. R radius, r will be left as it is, and dr over dt, the value of dr over dt I shall write 5. So here write 5, implied that dA over dt equal to 5 to the 10. So here 10 pi r, we shall get centimeter square per second, we shall get. Now again I shall write implied that dA over dt, input r equal to 8 equal to 10 pi, will be written in bracket, the value of r I shall take from this place 8, implied that dA over dt input r equal to 8 equal to 10 8 ja 80, 80 pi, unit I shall write centimeter square per second. Answer we have got, answer implied that 80 pi centimeter square per second. This will be correct answer we have got. Answer we have got 80 pi centimeter square per second. This will be the correct answer we have got. Okay guys, thanks.